Another hit from the recent fires for residents and businesses. Public health officials are now asking you to stay away from miles of beaches and the sand, all because of toxic runoff. KCAL News reporter Laurie Perez live tonight in Santa Monica, where it's already being felt by businesses there. Laurie?
Yeah, Susie, that's right. This is tough news for businesses, no doubt about it. It is, of course, already the low season here on the coast, so business is down. Then came the fires, and now business owners say this beach closure might be too much to bear.
Besides that, I still think it's a beautiful time to come to the beach.
The manager of Perry's in Santa Monica is pleading for customers, saying the beach might be off limits, but the view isn't. Two Perry's locations north of the pier remain shuttered. Their other cafe and bike rental spots down the coast just reopened after 2 weeks. He says hours for workers are already being cut, and now with notice of the beach closures.
Between the rain, the cold weather and the fires, it's very terrible for our employees.
We still saw people on the sand and in the ocean today, even though public health officials have shut down the beaches from Malibu to Playa del Rey indefinitely, warning the recent fires and rain could have deposited toxic chemicals in the sand and water. A few blocks from the beach, Lula's general manager, Chuck Craig, says they're already ordering less product. Business is down 20% since the fires. The beaches being closed is gutting.
A lot of our guests bring families, and on the weekends, they'll go down to the beach and then they'll wander up here, and no one's going to be going to the beach. The hardest part is cutting back staff, rationing shifts.
Next door, Brian Borneman says his restaurant Crudo e Nudo is already feeling the loss of business from many customers who lost homes and of others who feel guilty or wary about going out. He says if all that plus the beach closure keeps even more people away, he expects to see layoffs in 6 to 8 weeks citywide.
Every time you spend money locally, you're supporting not just me and my business, you're supporting staff who lives here locally, who spends money locally, fishermen who live here locally and spend money locally. There's been enough setbacks, and people have felt like the air is toxic, now the water is toxic, and what isn't toxic is spending money in your neighborhood.
Now, here on the west side, it is especially difficult because business owners say a lot of their customers were people who lived in the Palisades or travelers who came down PCH from the north. And of course, they've lost both those bases. We are live in Santa Monica tonight. I'm Laurie Perez. Back to you.